Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. We'll be evaluating the products in different categories to help you decide which one is best for you. So let's get started. Both air fryers offer multiple cooking options beyond air frying. However, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer has more options, including dehydrating and rotisserie cooking. Both air fryers offer healthier cooking options by using little to no oil. However, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer uses 98% less oil than traditional fryers, while the Instant Vortex Plus has built-in air filters that remove cooking odors. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer has a larger 10-liter capacity, making it ideal for family-size meals or meal prepping. The Instant Vortex Plus is more suited for serving 4 to 6 people. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer features even crisp technology for a perfect golden finish and crispy texture. On the other hand, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer features rapid air heating elements for quick and even cooking. Both air fryers are easy to use, with preset options and capacitive touch control screens. However, the Instant Vortex Plus has customizable one-touch smart programs for specific foods. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer is priced at $119 US, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is priced at $159 US. And that's our comparison of the Chefman Digital Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. We hope this video helped you decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.